Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Sheets for pushing data into BigQuery. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Create a new Google Sheet or open an existing one. Click on Extensions in the top menu. Select Add-ons from the drop-down. Choose Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type BigQuery Data Connector. Find the BigQuery Data Connector in the results and click on it. Click the Install button to add it to your Google Sheets. Follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions. Once the installation is complete, go back to your Google Sheet. Click on Extensions again, then hover over BigQuery Data Connector. Select Open from the submenu. In the sidebar that appears, click on Authorize. Select your Google account and allow access to your BigQuery project. Now, in the BigQuery sidebar, choose the dataset you want to push data into. Select your target table or create a new one if needed. Prepare your Google Sheet data according to BigQuery requirements. Use the Push Data button in the sidebar to send your data. Confirm the action in the prompt that appears. Wait for the data transfer to complete, which may take a moment. Check your BigQuery console to verify that the data has been successfully updated. You have now successfully set up Google Sheets to push data into BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.